say my name when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, you. I don't know the words. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone video. Very old school, it feels weird saying that. I don't think I've ever done one of these videos. I'm not happy with this angle. Let's move. Seriously? Seriously. Better. So I know a while ago, I say a while ago, like years ago, I did a what is on my iPad video. I'm not actually ever sure if I posted my what's on my iPhone, but there isn't currently one of these on my channel. And off the bat, it sounds like kind of a little bit of a boring video, but Apple have released recently a new update, IOS14. If you've been on the internet in the past few months, you'll know exactly all about IOS14, where it means you can actually edit the look of your home screen so much more than you used to. Of an itch. And you can make it look so cute. I was obsessed with TikToks about this when it first came out, like just going through watching all the inspirations, and I thought I'd share my iOS home screen and what's on my iPhone today with you all, because I love these kinds of videos. And as we're all in lockdown, I feel like if we take it a little bit old school, a little bit basic, just have a chill, have a chat, and yeah. You used to only really be able to make your phone look like this if you downloaded some weird app or like jailbreak your iPhone, and when I found out that Apple were making it like officially possible, I was so excited. And it's taken me ages to get it like sort of how I like it, because it does take a little while, but here is what my iPhone looks like. So here is my iPhone. When you first look at it, it is literally me in a home screen. All pinks, all nudes, all whites, all creams. I will probably change this in like a month for Christmas, but this is what it looks like at the minute. So at the top I've got a widget which has the time and date and my percentage of battery, which I thought was so useful. And to get that I use the app Color Widgets. If I click on it, it might open it. Yes. So if you see here, you've got all these different types of widgets that you can just edit. Like I've got a few custom ones, and I decided to go for that size because it's a bit of a statement, bit of a start to the phone. So next, when you go down, you can see I have edited all the like photos for my app icons, and I got these all off of Pinterest. I just typed in pink aesthetic and chose like my favourite ones, and ones that I think would fit like what the app is, kind of. Some of them don't, some of them do, I don't know. I wanted it to all look nice. And I'll show you at the end of the video how I did that. But on the app that you use, you can actually change the name of the icon as well. So as you can see, I've got it all lowercase because everything's lowercase for me on my phone. I just like how it looks. I have got my calendar, my notes, which I use for everything, like all my shopping lists, any kind of like video ideas I write in there. That is just my brain dump basically. I then have photos, I have the internet, which I actually use Google Chrome. I'm not going into these apps because they're not very interesting at the minute, but I use the Google Chrome app rather than Safari just because I use Google Chrome on my MacBook as well, so on my like, bookmarks link. I've then got text, which is like messages. I've got my phone, I've got the App Store, and I've got settings. And underneath this, I think this bit is so cute. I've basically used the app Widgetsmith to make a little like quote sort of widget. So when you go into the app, you can make all kinds of different widget themes. So as you can see here, I've got like a calendar one, I've got some photo ones which you'll see in a little while, and I made one full of loads of quotes. So in photos I got a load of quotes, put them in a photo album, and then just selected that album to use. If you see here, you click on it, photos in album, you can select an album, and I just chose the one called Words, which is my quotes. With ones like this, you can customize them, you can customize the layout. Again, you can photos, you can have events, emails, the weather, and then if you pay, oh wait, the weather you have to pay for. You can actually pay for upgrades, which is like the weather, the tide, which is random. You can change the font, the colours, the border, and just make it look exactly how you want it. And they have 3 different sizes, so they have small, medium and large takes up like half the screen. So in here I've just put like really motivational quotes and quotes that like if I need a bit of a pick me up or a little reminder to calm your shit, that's where I get my inspo from. Then I slide along and I first have another widget. This is a memories widget basically. So I made a I'm stumbling so much over my words. I made a photo album of all like some of my favourite memories. This is one of me and my best friend Erin, and it basically just every now and again changes a photo. You can tell I haven't filmed a video in a while because I'm stumbling so much over my words. But yeah, they just kind of make me happy. Then I have VSCO, which is my editing app. Now as you just saw, when you click on the apps, once you've like edited them, it does open the shortcuts app, which is the one you use to edit it. It is a little bit annoying, but you do get used to it. So here is just all my photos that I've edited. I change how I edit my photos all the time, so there is absolutely no point in me even showing you how I edit them because I change the filter in the way I do it a lot. Next I have, this is kind of sad, I have the Animal Crossing New Horizons Life app. I'm obsessed with Animal Crossing, and when I'm happy with my island, I'm definitely going to do an island tour video. Oh, I've got an advert. But this is basically just a way to like track what I'm doing. I use this a lot for the villagers to see what they're about. One of my favourites is Marcy. How cute. And Puddles. Puddles is like my best friend on the island. But I just use this to find out any information I need about like villagers or like any specific items. I noticed that I was using it a lot, so I was like, okay, I'm going to put this on my home screen. Let's get rid of all these. Next we have Amazon. Again, another app I use all the time. Very self-explanatory. I don't need to open it, but Amazon is my life. If I need something, I go to Amazon first. I then have the Barclays app, which I thought was really smart. I put like a little pink picture of money on there. Not going to go into that because that's my banking app. Then I have Messenger, which is Facebook Messenger. And another thing you'll notice about using like the shortcuts app is you don't actually get like notification like symbols, which I like in one sense because it makes my home screen look so clean, but in another sense there have been times where I look at my phone and I'm like, oh my god, I've had a message for hours and I haven't read it. But yeah, to solve the sort of icon issue and like notification issue, I've just tried to use my notification center more, which is what happens when you swipe down. That's actually my lock screen photo at the minute. That's me and my boyfriend. But that's where all your notifications will be, if you're wondering. Then I have Facebook, again, self-explanatory, YouTube and Twitter. So that's basically like my socials row. I then have WhatsApp, which I use for my work chats because I'm currently working from home. So that's how we communicate, like, other than email. I then have TikTok, which, oh my god, I'm obsessed with. I do actually have a TikTok. This is what it is if you're wondering. I don't really post on it too often. I just have some random TikToks on there from basically the beginning part of lockdown. Then I have Gmail because that's the email like app I use. Maps because I use that all the time when I'm driving. Even if I'm going somewhere where I think I know the way, I still have my sat nav up. So I've got Maps. Then I have Among Us, which is a game that if you have been on the internet, you will definitely know about. It has blown up recently. And I watch a Twitch streamer, Arden Rose. I'll link her Twitch stream down below, but I'm obsessed with her. I've been watching her all through lockdown. And they started playing it and I was like, okay, I need to give this game a try. And this is a sort of game that I kind of will play around with while I'm on the toilet. TMI, I know, but that's like my toilet app. Then I have Twitch, links into Among Us. I watch Twitch streams a lot. I just like them because they're long, they're very like chill most of the time, they're funny, and they're just good for background noise. And then I have Clue, which is my app which I track my period on. Yay. It says I've got one more day in my period, but that is not true because I've only started using it properly for the past like 2 months. So you can see like last month and this month. As you can see, I'm currently on my period. And then I have another little photo album widget, and this is one of me and my boyfriend. I've just put all like my favourite photos of us in there, and then so I can just see photos of us all the time. Those photo widgets are kind of like, they kind of make up for not having a photo background, because when I've got all these like cute icons, having a photo background really like crowds the page. Then along the bottom, weird, but you can't actually see the names of the apps if you use like the shortcuts along the bottom. But I have Pinterest as the first one, which I use all the time. I use it for like planner ideas, tattoo ideas, bedroom ideas, because I'm moving house hopefully at the beginning of December, touch wood. So like ideas for a new bedroom, hair ideas, cooking ideas. I love Pinterest and it is one of my most used apps, so that's why it's on the bottom. Next I have Snapchat. I'm not going to go into that because I don't really want to out all my conversations, but again, Snapchat's self-explanatory. Then I have Instagram. We've got a bit of Saf. So this is my Instagram. If you didn't already know, I do link it in the description of every video. But I post on there not too regularly. I do want to start posting more, but when you have very low self-confidence, it's very hard to post. But yeah, I got quite a few pictures of me and my boyfriend on there. I had a little stage where I was just posting loads of photos from my birthday party. I use Instagram stories a lot actually. I use Instagram stories way more than Snapchat stories. I just think they're so cute and I love my little highlights. Like, they're like my pride and joy, my highlights. So that's one of me and my boyfriend. And then I've got a travel one from like holidays. I've got just this year. I've got friends, so like time with friends. I put all like little stars as the names because I think they're really cute, and then I put like the image as what's on it. And so like time with friends, I've got, that's drinks, so when I've been out drinking, or like cocktails I've loved, any kind of drinks because I love a little drink me. I've got Delish, which is my food section, which is amazing, which is like all my meals out. I've got outfits, so that's basically just me, all my like selfies and when I've felt cute, just to remind myself I can be cute sometimes. I've got music, so any like story I've put up with music in the background, they're in there. I've got pets, so they're my little fur babies. I love them. I've got books, which I want to be posting more on because I want to start reading more. So they're all my like recommended books. Oh, and that's it. But yeah, that's my Instagram. And finally, along the bottom here, I have Spotify, which I love, which again, I customise completely. This is my, let's not look at the top ones because they're in progress, but these are all my playlists that I've made so far. I'll link my Spotify down below as well if you want to give it a check out. I don't have amazing playlists, but I love them, and I love like choosing all the photos. It's just the little things in life. And that is it for my phone. I do have more on my phone, like way more, as you can see here in my app library. And if you don't know what that is, basically, to get all of these apps, these are only shortcuts to apps. The actual apps are in the app library. I don't know why I'm showing you my phone, you can see it. The actual apps are in the app library, so I have a lot more games, but to save them all being on my home screen, I just put my most used things, and then when I want to look for something else, I just type it in app library. Let's just add something random. Let's add Boohoo to the home screen. So if I add it to my home screen, that's how you'd normally see the app. So if you hover over it and press edit home screen, you can move it to your app library. So if you don't want to see it, that's how you do that. And to change the icons, let's find the shortcuts app. So you should get this on your phone anyway. I think it comes on your phone with iOS 14. So these are all the shortcuts that I have. So to make a new one, you press the add button and you add action. You then type in open app. You don't type in the app name, you type in open app, because that means the shortcut is to open an app. You then choose the app. So let's just do Argos, because it was one of the first ones I saw. And then I press the ... No, actually I don't. I press next. Then I name it. So I put in Argos with a capital. Done. And then to set the photo, you go back into it using the ... Press the ... again. Press the Mate, how do I do this? Oh, I actually forgot how to do it then. You press add to home screen, then press the icon next to the name, so here, choose photo. Let's just choose a random photo. Fruit, why not? That's what it's going to look like. You press add, and voila, there it is. I don't actually want Argos there, so I'm going to delete that. But that is my phone. I feel like, as usual, I talked way too much in this video. Oh well, that's just me. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I need to go back to work now because I'm actually filming this on my lunch break. So, back to work I go. If you have any video requests, let me know in the comments below. I want to get back into posting regularly because I missed it so much. So, give me some requests below. Also, if you do want to sometimes get involved in choosing video ideas, I do like posting. I don't know why I'm clapping. I do actually use my Instagram stories to ask questions sometimes, so like polls, just video ideas. So follow my Instagram if you want to catch up on any behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. Get ready for some moving vlogs coming soon, because I've already started filming stuff from like packing the house up, and then I'll be like doing some like moving vlogs in the new house. And when I move, it will be a lot easier for me to film videos because I currently share a bedroom, which I don't think you actually know. Do you know? I can't remember if I said it in my 21st birthday vlog. But yeah, I share a bedroom with my sister after I moved back from uni. So when we move house, I'll have my own bedroom again, and I'll be able to film whenever I want. Whereas now, my sister's currently out, so that's why I thought I'll film now. But yeah, I've blabbed on for 20 minutes now. I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! See, I